Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm showing you my soccer stuff for this year. And we are going to be starting from the bottom of this pile I have right over here. You cannot see it, but yeah, we are going to be starting from that. So from the bottom of the pile, I have this backpack. Now this backpack is to carry like my drinks and like my sweatshirt for like if I get cold in between games. I could put my sweatshirt in here and carry other equipment that I need to carry for my games. And the thing is actually pretty big in here. It is actually very big actually. So I'm going to unzip it so you guys can see it. There's a lot of compartments. So this is just one compartment. It's very big. It's very big. It is very useful. And this is the second compartment. Just put this back up. So this is the second compartment right here. Yeah, there's three compartments. This one is just like a little pocket compartment right there. Then the last compartment is this right here. Folds up. So, yeah, this is my book bag, and that I'm going to be carrying around for my soccer equipment. I'll get back to you once I'm on to the next soccer equipment. Alright guys, so we are on to the next thing. The next thing is socks. I have quite few packs of socks. So I have this thing right here, this sock pack right here, medium socks, size medium, Adidas soccer, Metro sock, arch and ankle compression in Adidas. It says right there. And on the back, it says lightweight construction for a close fit and arch and ankle compression for added stability. That is this type of sock, so let's go ahead and set that right there. And the next type of socks is the black with white stripe. Black with white. On the back it's there's different ones. There's black with white and black with gray. I like the black with gray. That's pretty cool. It's the same thing. It says Copa Zone Cushion. And it's Adidas new and improved medium size. On to the next socks. So the next sock are white with black and white with gray. Same thing, medium, new and improved. Adidas, they are very, very stretchy and soft. So these are going to be very good for me. I'll get back to you. So alright guys, I'm back. And the next thing I'm going to show you is my shorts. Now our color we're going to be is purple. So I have black shorts because we have to wear black with the purple. These are very nice flimsy shorts. No ties, just waist. They're very nice waistbands. Very comfortable. I actually have a pair on right now because I was practicing for soccer yesterday with my dad, and but actual soccer practices have not started yet. So yeah, on to the next thing. So the next thing is my mouth guard. I have a very cool mouth guard. Last year I did use a mouth guard because it was only with 3rd or 4th grade, and this year I'm in 5th and 6th grade. So I decided to use a mouth guard because I am with higher grade levels. I'm going into 5th grade, so I'm going to be playing with 5th and 6th graders. So this is my very cool mouth guard for any sport and intense breathing. So you put this hole right here, these two holes, boom and boom. These are for breathing. And this is where you put your mouth and you breathe through these two holes like this. You can do it this way too. But the flag is upside down, so I do not do it like that. On to the next thing. I'm saving my cleats for last, so now I have my shin guard. Alright. So my shin guards actually match my cleats. So these are my shin guards. Adidas. That has a little sock right here that you put in your foot, and then they slip right on. And they have little two pads right here to protect your ankle. And it says R for right. That's my shin guard. This is my other shin guard that has left for left. Right there. Same thing. Adidas. Now for my cleats. These are from a very, very famous soccer player. Some of you guys might know him, but his last name starts with a M. Can you guess it? Messi. It's Messi soccer cleats. These things are so cool. Like, I can't even explain how cool they are. This, like, the bottom is like so cool. And it says Messi right here. M-E-M-E-S-S-Y. M-E-S-S-I, And then there's a bunch of lettering that spells Messi right here. M-E-M-E-S-S-I. Right there. And on this side of the cleat, same thing, but just that Adidas sign. Now for the back. The back is also very cool. It has this little symbol right here that I think is very cool. Right here. But then for the bottom, these orange things right here, no, not the spikes. The orange things right here, they feel very cool. And the spikes are very grippy. They're like very grippy. Now for the inside. Now this thing is flimsy, so it goes over your top of your ankle right here. Right here. Protect your ankle. And now for the inside. The inside is very cool. Has that right there. 17.3. These are size 5s. 5. They're very cool. Very cool cleats. Not gonna lie. I actually am so glad I picked out these cleats. And yeah, like I said, my shin guards match my cleats. Like, look at that, dude. Like, it can't get any better than that. That is awesome. So then, here's my other cleat. Very cool. So anyway, guys, if you want a part 2 of this with my jersey, I am going to be getting. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. When you did all that, comment down below if you would like a part 2 of this with my jersey, and if you would like a part 2 with what I look like in it. I might actually pop a little what I look like in it at the end of the video, but probably not, because I've saved that for part 2 if you guys want that. Yeah, so make sure to do that, what I said, and you might get shouted out in another video. So yeah, guys, this is it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below when you did all that. Comment for part 2. Just say part 2. We want part 2. And anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Peace.